Namaste. Hello. Welcome back to She Walkin. I'm Traveling Eddie, and today for a little while with this 4K clip, about 8 minutes and some change, we're going to be walking here in the countryside of Colombia, the Andes Mountains, with Sundari and Elena. Sundari's a year 5 months old, and Elena's 12 years old, and we're looking in that direction, and that's the valley of San Nicolas, very extensive flat valley here in the mountains. And here we're in the town of Copacabana, but right now we're going to cross over into Guarne in a few meters. If it's not right here, it's a few meters over. And Guarne is where I live, and the town is right down there, right down over here. But beyond that is Rio Negro, where the Medellin International, the Jose Maria Cordova International Airport is. And this is something unfortunate. They're cutting down the pine wood trees here, the pine trees. So let's keep walking. And it's a Monday morning on a bank holiday here in Colombia, South America, in the month of July 2024. And please remember to support Shivani and her channel here, the community, all of you guys, girls, women and men, men and women. Please give this video a like if you like it, and any video that you watch that is on Shivani's channel on She Walkin, and share with people, because that's the way it helps her channel grow. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to her channel. And here's one of the locals passing by on his motorcycle. Buen día, ¿cómo le va? And I think that's one of the Indian bikes, Bajaj brand. So on a muddy road, because it rained, it's been raining every day here at night. And remember, if you want to help Shivani grow even more because of the expenses needed to go traveling, and she goes to so many places, and recently to Nepal for the first time, or at least I think this is the first time she went there. You can always help her through Patreon or buy me a coffee. That she has that app, or that link on her on this channel here, or on the video at the bottom. It has a like, share, and all of that stuff. Those buttons. There's a button that shows a money symbol, and since her channel is monetized, you can always give her a tip, a gratuity, if you like what she's doing. This helps her have more money in addition to the job she has, her regular work. Fund her travels. Pay for those stays at hotels or plane tickets, train tickets, whatever, when she goes to different parts of incredible India. Incredible India. I do 100% agree with the slogan, Incredible India. And this is incredible, or Colombia. This is cool Colombia. Cool as in nice. And I was in India for 6 months, or 8 months total, with my first trip and second trip. But now I'm back here, even though I'm an American from America, the United States of America, the land of milk and honey. My family, my mom and dad, my mom was from Colombia. She passed away last year. And my dad is from Colombia. And we live here in the countryside, in the mountains. And I am keeping him company while and taking care of the doggies and his country house. 2 country houses. I'm living there. I'm going to stay there. Well, you'll see a video in the future about the country house and all of that, and another different walk. So this is 8K. We're only at minute 4, so we got more time to walk. But they're playing music over there, and that's going to be copyright stuff. So wow, I'm going to send this in 2 different clips to Shivani, and then that way she can put them out together as one 4K video. Because they're playing music over there, Colombian music, vallenatos, Vallenatos, V for Vasudev or Vaishnav, Vallenatos. Look up the music, and there's one very famous singer, Carlos Vives, if you look for his classics, or some of the groups like Los Diablitos, the Little Devils, but Los Diablitos in Spanish. We'll be back in just a second, but you won't notice the difference. It's just that over there they got a business and they're playing loud music, and in a moment it'll be perceivable.